So let's see how Nexthink can help us in the planning phase of any Teams migration. Starting in the portal, we get the trend analysis of our current environment in a very simple and easy to understand set of charts and graphs. I'm looking at our overall digital experience score that we have here to see the overall health of our landscape at a really high bird's eye view. It tells us, for example, that we're looking pretty good here at 7.51, but maybe we have some areas to look at in the device, productivity, collaboration and security areas, because these seem to be down at the warning level, just under 8. What else might we be looking at in the planning phase of our migration? Well, what about the device performance? Let's go down. And again, out of the box, we've got a lot of ways to look at our device performance. Let's look at the network. We can see that the network performance has been getting better recently, which is good. The number of devices are generally high scoring, which is good as well. But we are suffering from quite a few failed web requests. And again, we can jump through from here into more technical tools such as the Finder to work out what those failed web requests are. And we can also see that these web requests are coming from our remote locations and not from Middle East, Europe and America. Now there's a whole range of data that we can get to within the portal. You can define both your own customized dashboards, but we bring a lot of pre-packed dashboards through our solution packs. Let's take a look at another dashboard which is more specific to Teams. So here I've got the Microsoft Teams adoption dashboard, and it's got various soft metrics that we've asked users, giving a user satisfaction score, the adoption hours per week and the adoption of Teams times per week. So where has this data come from? Well, let's switch out to the Finder and take a look. So I've skipped across to the Nexthink Finder, where, as we can see, we've configured a number of campaigns which we're going to use during the various phases of the Teams deployment. In the planning phase, I want to find out how the users are currently experiencing the landscape before Teams is deployed and whether they want to become an early adopter. So with the Teams solution pack, I've got a Teams pre-deployment engage campaign, which, as we can see, contains a large amount of details to notify the user that Teams is coming and ask them various questions about it. Here at the bottom, we've got various question names: satisfaction, positive points, negative points, times per week of current collaborative tools use, which we're going to then use to see what the current temperature is and whether we're ready to go for Teams and who's using it. If I preview this campaign, this is what the user will experience. An intuitive small pop-up appears in the corner, which is cancelable. If they accept it, they then move through steps of questions giving simple and clear answers to questions that both come with the solution pack, but you can customize or change as you wish. And this data is recorded as part of the Nexthink solution and then can be mixed up with the hard metrics to give intuitive dashboards where we understand our current experience.